Aalis pala kami ngayon. Punta kami, magde-day trip kami, dalawa lang kami. Kasi may pasok yung asawa ko. On call siya today. And yung anak ko is, isa kong anak, yung panganay ko. May gagawin siya. So dalawa lang kami magde-day trip papuntang Drumheller. Magano kami at 3 hours na biyahe. So hindi naman kami, one day lang kami doon. So balikan ulit kami. Time check guys, it's already 8:59, almost 9 o'clock. Meron lang 1 hour na lang, malapit na kami sa Drumheller. So, yung pasahero ko nakatulog. Nandito na pala kami sa Royal Tyrrell Museum. So, may digging experience ka, baby? Yeah, we're gonna do a digging experience. Okay, let's go now. So guys, nandito na pala kami sa loob ng Royal Tyrrell Museum. Excited na siya kasi ang tagal niya nang hindi nakapunta dito. Ang tagal pala namin hindi nakapunta dito, siguro mga 6 years na. Kasi ang last punta namin dito is nung 3 years old pa lang siya. So, ito na ulit. Ang daming nagbago. Grabe. Ano siya? Real dinosaur siya. Ano ba to? Hindi ko lang pa natin. These are all the cast, right, babe? Babe, these are all cast? Guys, ito yung ano nila, yung mga dinosaur bones tsaka mga fossils. Dito sila nagka-cast yung mga nakita nila sa sa Badlands. Ito naman. Ano to? Is this a whale? Is this a whale? I think it's a whale, right? This is like a whale. That's a whale. Ano to? Tutuwa ako dito. Ang ganda, grabe. Tignan niyo ito guys. Laki! Man tayo. Ang cute ng daanan nila. Grabe, lang years na kami din nakapunta dito. Ang cute, oh. Wow.
Of delicate creatures. Storms or mudslides swept them into deep, stagnant waters where they were quickly buried.
Yes. Oh, these are all fishes. Mga isda. Mga isda siya. Parang nakadiri naman yun. $1 billion rock. Ang cute to. Meron din sila sa taas. Ano ba yan? Ang cute-cute naman. Ito tayo sa malalaking statue. Ano to? Totoo to? Dito na tayo sa malalaki sa mga Jurassic. What is this? Ceratopsians? The horned herbivores. Wow. Babe, come here. Oh, look. Babe, look. Oh, babe, come here. Look where you go. Guys, nandito pala kami sa cafeteria ng museum. Nagutom siya. Ang ano lang namin is, akin yung ano lang, fruits lang yung sa amin, and yung green tea. Because you can get now one big. Eh! Mag-share lang kami kasi mamaya may activities pa siya, so. Do you want yogurt? They have yogurt there. No yogurt? Mag-11 pa lang. Masyado pong maaga. Nakarating kami dito ng 10 o'clock. Maantay pa kami ng siguro ilang oras para mag-ano. Para sa ano namin, activities na yung digging experience. Maghanap sila ng mga fossils. Maghanap sila ng fossils, na dinosaur fossils, or dinosaur bones. Yun pala makikita niya. Guys, meron din sila pa-garden dito, oh. Ang ganda. Cute, eh, oh. May pa-garden sila. Ang ganda dito guys, may pa-mirror sila. Ang ganda ng view. Nandito kami sa may, ano yun, overlooking ng kanilang garden. Yan yung waterfall silang maliit. Ayan guys, nag-start na yung program ni Astro ng digging experience. Marami kami dito. Ano siya? Grupo siya. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda dito.
Wild sage is very important to the First Nations people of Alberta. I'm going to do our land acknowledgement while we stand beside the wild sage. So here at the village,
And guys, nandito kami sa Badlands. Ano siya? Yung mga ano ng mga dinosaurs, mga sinaunang panahon. Ano yung mga dinosaurs. Yan, nandito tayo ngayon. Ang ganda nga dito, para kang bumalik sa nakaraan. Ayan, no?
it looks like they found a fossil. Look at that, petrified wood. Oh God.
Ayan, naghanap na sila ng fossils. Mga actual fossils. Let's see kung anong makikita niya. Let's see what you got, babe. Let's see what you got.
So you found some beautiful crystals in ironstone.
Here, babe, I'll try this one in here.
I'm gonna go check.
Possibly here, oh. No? Is it this one? No. Go search for it.
The stuff you slipped on is bentonite clay, and you have been bentonited, kissed by the Badlands.
Come on, find it. Find some fossils.
All right. Has anyone found some fossils? I saw.
Kind of.
Whoa! Look at them all.
See, I told you, babe. You got...
All of these pale pieces are more bits of petrified wood. It's an entire petrified forest. What is this stuff? Oh, so this it too is getting your permit, so you're not fined. I did that for you. You don't have. and taking lots of pictures. I see some people already have their cameras out. That is extremely scientific. Thank you. You are not going to do step 5, which is reburying the fossil in plaster and cloth, and then
Guys, ayan. Yung dinidig nila is actually ano naman, naka-cast na siya. Ready na siya para ano lang yung mga bata mag-experience lang nila. So, isa naman to. Enjoy na enjoy siya, oh.
but I like this one because you can see the lovely. That's what planting dinosaurs look like on the inside. At the program, look at the quarries and go. The accumulated fossils that we made. Why did you make them take?
Hello guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung actual dinosaur teeth. What's that? Is it T-Rex?
No.
No, what was that? What teeth is that? Okay, I'll show you guys. Show them. That's a real dinosaur teeth?
Yeah.
What? Look at that.
Maybe I could outrun the dinosaur if I had.
Largely stay the
Yung guys,
same
ito naman is raptor
across sizes of
teeth.
dogs. So
Here,
one
baby,
reason
do you wanna
the
try
real
it?
dogs have
Do you
so
wanna
many teeth
check
problems
into
is
it?
They have all the teeth of a wolf crammed into this tiny face. So I got here a little claw, so you can see.
Ito naman is
Does Lucy
claw.
have bones?
Dinosaur claw.
No.
Parang liit.
So
This one is actually dinosaur bones.
you also
Right,
need
babe?
to have-
Actual dinosaur bones?
No,
Whoa.
no. You
Looks
gotta-
cool.
You gotta have
Pretty
a
interesting.
backbone.
Hi, baby.
Because it was found by a local cowboy. If you wander around town long enough, you'll run into it.
What is that,
That's
baby?
exactly how you imagine a 70-year-old cowboy coal miner used it.
You don't know? You're not listening?
And
I
yeah,
see.
we just found it one day, called it into the museum. We're like,
I'll
that is a
take a
new
look at
species of
this one.
dinosaur.
What
We are
is
going to
this?
give it a Troceraptor marshallii.
It's a
which is
bone, but what
martial savage raptor.
what part is this? It's a real dinosaur bone.
Alright.
Guys, tapos na yung kanilang digging experience. Ngayon mag-hike naman kami. Hiking kami. Ang ganda kasi mag-hike dito. Ah. Oh boy! Yan guys, hindi na ako nakapag-update. Nakaalis na pala kami dun sa dinosaur digging niya and dinosaur digging ni Ashton tsaka yung Royal Terrell Museum kasi kanina ang haba ng pila. So ngayon, maghahanap na lang kami ng restaurant na makakainan. Ang gusto niya kasi A&W, so punta kami dito sa A&W na malapit lang naman. Hindi naman siya ganong kalayuan, malapit lang. It's traffic. Babe, what happened? It's traffic. Did you enjoy your dinosaur, babe? Did you? Do you want to go again? No? Do you want to go again? Yes or no?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh my goodness, bebe. Why don't you want to? Bakit ang tagal? Naku, siguro may aksidente na naman siguro dito. Ano ba yan? Nandito na pala kami sa A&W. Yan, nagugutom na kasi siya. Ayun o, nagugutom na yung aking passenger. Kaya, kakain muna kami. Uwi na kami pagtapos nito. Medyo, may 3 hours pa kasi yung the drive ko. Yun lang naman yung pinuto namin sa Royal Terrell Museum tsaka yung digging experience niya. Yan guys, tapos na kami kumain na din na kami sa sakyan. Uuwi na kami. So, 3 hours ang biyahe pabalik. 1 hour away na lang kami. Kaso, na-stop kami sa train. Ang haba-haba pa naman itong train na to. Tingnan nyo. Yan guys, nakauwi na pala kami. Anong oras ba? 6:49. So, umalis kami doon ng 4 o'clock, almost 4 o'clock. So, it's like 3 hours na biyahe pabalik. So, maglalaban na lang ako. Yun na lang naman gagawin ko. I'll see you next time. Bye!